Hello Prealgebra students, this is lesson 80. Our objective is how do you add and subtract mixed measures and name polynomials. So we're just going to do one here of mixed measures. This is example 1. So pretty much how it goes, it says competing in a triathlon, Regina swam for this length of time, biked for this length of time, and ran for this length of time. What was her total length of time in the triathlon? So I just wrote those all out here. So all I need to do is add these all up. So as I add these up, 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 3 more is 16. So for the 6, carry the 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But however, remember, we wouldn't want to say 96 seconds, because remember, 60 seconds brings us on up to the next one. So what I'm really going to want to do is I'm thinking 96 minus 60. It's a 60, believe it or not. So this is going to be, let's see, 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So I'm actually going to put here 36 seconds, and I'm going to carry the 1. Now I'm going to go 8, 9, 10, 18 minutes. Carry the 1 there. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 118 minutes. And again, 60 minutes makes an hour. So we're going to carry that up here. 118 minus 60 is going to be an 8. 11 minus 6 is going to be 5. So I'm going to say 58 minutes. So 1 hour, 58 minutes, 36 seconds. It's kind of messy, so I'd probably write it like this. 1 hour, 58 minutes, 36 seconds. Because we always want our answer to be nice and neat, so ignore this one over here. Alright, now let's talk about naming polynomials. Polynomials is kind of like a generic term, like vehicles is a generic term for cars, and trucks. And we're just going to study about 3 different ones, the 3 main ones. A monomial has just one term. So this right here is a term. So each of these are a single term. Because notice there's no plus or minus signs in there, because terms are separated by plus or minus signs. So notice, mono, like a monomial, mono, so it means one, like a monopod. Binomial, like a bicycle, means 2, so it says 2 terms. So notice there's x plus 5, there's 2 terms. xy minus 7y, there's 2 terms. They're separated by a minus sign. X squared minus 4, again, 2 terms. Those are binomials. And trinomials, and that's right, like a tricycle has 3. So 1, 2, 3. These are trinomials. Okay, and all of these we call polynomials, because polynomials, again, just like the generic term for any of those. The degree of a polynomial is the highest degree of any of its terms. So let's look up here at these first ones. This one here, to find the degree, you look at the variables. So like in this one here, the variable's exponent is 3. So the term, or the degree of this one, is going to be 3. The degree of this one, notice I have no variables in there, so the degree of this one is going to be 0. Now the degree of this part of it is 2, and the degree of this part of it is 1, so then I just end up adding those 2 together. So the degree of this one, again, is going to be 3. Each of these degrees here in this next one is 1, 1, and 1, so the degree of this one is going to be 3. This one just has an exponent of 1, so it means the degree of this one is 1. So the degree of any polynomial, the whole thing combined, is going to be the highest degree of any of its terms or any of its parts. So here, looking at this binomial, notice the degree of this one is 1, the degree of this one is 0, so the degree of this whole thing is going to be 1. This one's 1 plus 1, so the degree of that part's 2. This one's 0 plus 1, so the degree of that one is 1. So the degree of the whole thing is going to be 2. The degree of this part is 2, the degree of this part is 0. So the degree of this whole thing is 2. Same idea here, this one's 2, 1, 0, so the degree of the whole thing is 2. This part's 1, this part is 1 plus 1, so 2, the degree of this one's 1, so the degree of the whole thing is 2. So let's try these out. Name the degree of each polynomial. So we're looking at the highest one. This one's 3, this one's 2, this one's 1, this one's 0. So the degree is going to be 3. For part B, the degree is 2, 1, 0. So the degree of the whole thing is 2. And the third one, the degree is 1, 1, and 0, so the degree of the whole thing is 1. Looking here at example 5, it says arrange the term of this polynomial in descending order, meaning in its degree. So this one's 3, this one is 0, this one is 2, this one is 1. So I'd say 2x cubed, because it's the highest number, plus x squared, plus x, plus 2, because I just went down in descending order. Then it says to add the binomials. So here's this binomial, here's that binomial. We're just going to combine the like terms. So I have x plus 2x, or you could say 1x plus 2x gives me 3x's. And then I have 6 plus a negative 3. So subtract, it's going to be plus 3. So 3x plus 3. Your homework is on page 534. You can do the practice set and 4 more of your choice. Good luck.